Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. Leading and lagging indicators are measures or metrics of your business or your projects that will tell you how you're doing, basically. A leading indicator is something that you can look at that helps you forecast how you're going to do in the future. So a leading indicator, if let's say you're in the internet space and you're selling products online, number of visitors to your website, if you know you have a 1% conversion rate, if that's going up, you can have a sense that you're going to sell more products. That could be a leading indicator. A lagging indicator might be actually your revenue, because if you're just looking at your revenue from last quarter, it's not necessarily going to tell you what you're going to make this next quarter. Now, you don't want just leading indicators or just lagging indicators in terms of your business metrics or your project metrics. What you want is usually a combination of both so that you have a mix to tell you, here's how we've done, and you can forecast based on historical numbers, yes, but those leading indicators will also tell you, here's what we can expect because of what's happening today. So having that family of metrics will help you determine how you're doing and how you're going to do, and allow you to plan and prioritize so that you can forecast what's going to happen in your business, your project, or other activities that you're doing. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.